BedRug XLT truck bed mats install quickly with no tools required. They're custom designed to fit your specific year, make, and model. The BedRug XLT works on trucks that have an existing spray-in liner or no liner. The kit comes with the bed mat and integrated tailgate mat along with adhesive promoter and hook and loop fasteners. Remove the BedRug XLT from the box and place it face down on a clean, dry surface. Leave the mat in a warm area to help it flatten. Apply the dual lock tape to the floor and tailgate section on the BedRug XLT, making sure to leave the backing on the adhesive. Before placing the BedRug XLT in the truck bed, be sure to remove all debris and clean the surface with soap and water. For optimal adhesion, be sure the truck bed is above 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the BedRug XLT in the bed of the truck. With the mat positioned for best fit, roll one side back and use alcohol to clean all areas where tape will be adhered. If you have a spray-in liner, apply the adhesive promoter and allow to dry. Remove the backing from the dual lock tape, making sure to leave the hook and loop attached to the bed mat. Press the mat firmly into place. Repeat the process on the remaining side. Be sure to clean the tailgate where adhesive will be applied with soap and water, then use another rag to clean with alcohol. Use adhesive promoter on any plastic surfaces that will have adhesive attached. Do not apply to painted metal. Allow promoter to dry. Remove the backing from the hook tape. Lay the tailgate portion of the mat into place, aligning the top and bottom edges. Press firmly into place. The BedRug XLT installation is now complete. It provides impact and slip-resistant protection for your truck bed that can be cleaned with a power washer, hose, or a vacuum. It fills in the ribs and contours of the truck bed to provide a smooth, void-free loading surface that is easy on your knees. If you'd like more info or if you have any questions, please visit bedrug.com.